What am I doing here? A lone traveller, seasick on the concrete waves. Seas, I know, but my feet don't feel the pull of tides, just pavements under darkened skies. Cuddles on the last train. She sleeps a slumber on his shoulder as he watches the rain racing with the bracing wind, tumbling down the window pane. Content, he sits, listens to the purr of her breath softly near his cheek, feels the soft warmth like a kiss-shaped pillow to rest upon. What am I doing, trawling these lands when I'd rather be swimming in your eyes under moonlit nights? Cuddles on the last train, before gentle nudging awake again. The rain has ceased, they alight the train. Carriage, emptied, now sits, deplete. A shell with no life within, just a memory of the sea held tightly against your ear. All I feel is empty sadness and the ache of my feet. Through misty eyes I watch the tracks sail by. Alone, just a traveller with no journey of my own. What am I doing here? Comfort feels so far away. Fear sits beside me. He cuddles up close, breathes cold air in my ear. Sounds like misery, a memory of heartbreak. I feel an icy tear tumbling down my cheek, racing the rain, which has dared to trace the windows again as I pull into arrivals. I wonder, will this fear depart?